everybody, welcome to this short tutorial on how to place material online using the online catalog. First, you're going to start at the library's website, madisoncountylibrary.net. When you get here, towards the top of the right-hand corner, you'll see this red button that says My Account. That's what you want. When you click that, it will take you to the account login page for our online catalog. You're going to put in your library card number, the whole long thing, no spaces, and then the password or PIN number. This could be the last four digits of your phone number. If you try what you think it should be and it's not working out for you, give us a call at the library and we can troubleshoot that. So you will see that the account summary page is what pops up first. This lets you know what you have checked out, what's on hold, what items are ready for you to pick up. What we're wanting to do is place something on hold. So we're going to go up to this search. And if you know the title or the author, you can key that in. Looking for this book named Wyoming, I'm going to tell it that I would like for it to search this title. And you can change the formats. So if you know you really want an audiobook, you can go ahead and just choose audiobook. And then you can tell it what library or library system you would like for it to search. It will default to your home library every time. Then you just click on the search. And as you can see, there are a few choices here of material that has the title Wyoming in it. This one is actually the one that I want. So I can see too that it's available. So that means it's probably going to get in my hands a lot faster. So I'm going to tell it to go ahead and place this on hold. This is the next screen that you'll see. It'll always ask you where you would like to pick up your material. It defaults to the home library. So if you don't need to change that, you can just scroll on down and then tell it how you would like to be notified when it's ready for pickup. You can choose to be notified by email or by telephone, or you can get a text message alerting you that it's ready for pickup. If you do choose text message, you'll need to indicate who your mobile carrier is and put your mobile phone number in there with no spaces and no dashes. I'm just going to choose phone for right now. And then don't forget to click the submit button so that it actually places the material on hold. If it's successful, you'll get a note that says so. And then you can just keep searching for your next material that you would like. So if you have any questions, just give us a call at the library. We're happy to help. Stay safe and stay healthy.